one of the most unique diamond burrs which are being used in orthodontics for intraoral, interdental stripping. I will speak a little bit about the burr itself, its unique characteristics, and then we're going to talk about the technique. Here you can see a very nice and complete set that was designed in order to provide the orthodontist whatever they need in order to do every procedure they need, starting from cleaning the teeth, making the IPR, and then in the end cleaning the rest of the bonding material from the tooth surface. So this is the first thing that we need to have. It is the stripping burrs we have in our hands. The second thing that we need in order to follow the technique, it is simple wood wedges. And finally what we need, it is the sets of metal gauges, specific strips having numbers on them and widths that define exactly the distance, the amount of stripping that we have performed. This has a huge importance in order to follow, for example, the protocols of the aligner, for example, aligner therapy, or in order to legally register and have everything documented. So now we will start to demonstrate the whole procedure, but before we start doing this, I would like to speak a little bit about the burr itself. I have one already mounted here on the handpiece. This is the high speed. And we have it with two colors. One is yellow, the other one is blue. The other one is 0.2 millimeter diameter of the biggest diameter of the burr is 0.2, and we have a blue color, which is the biggest diameter of the burr, it's 0.3. And by the way, following the technique, we can make 0.1 millimeter of stripping, which is something very unusual for dental burrs. And for this purpose, most of the doctors will prefer to use metal strip, which, to my opinion anyway, it is not a very good idea, because not only be traumatic for the patient, it is very, uncomfortable for the doctor itself also. So if we can, with this type of a burr, can exercise 0.1 millimeter of stripping, which is quite very small. It is, I think, the smallest that usually it is in the preparation for aligner therapy, for example. Then we are achieving our goal with a very comfortable and very secure way to do stripping. Another thing which is very unique for this burr, it is the type of the coating, the diamond coating. There are two types of diamond which are being used in the industry in order to coat diamonds, burr diamonds. The first one, it is the debris that comes from other professions like the jewelry industry. So all the debris that comes from this industry, it is being collected and sent in order to coat the diamond burrs. Now the problem with this type of diamond, it is that the sizes and the shape of the particles is not identical. So the moment they put them specifically in a high speeds of a handpiece, then the rotation of the burr, it's not uniform, it is not accurate, it is more like playing, because each particle is pulling the burr to a different direction. So it becomes very crucial when you do stripping in orthodontics, because then what happens is the moment the burr is touching the enamel, it is like harming the surface of the enamel, so you get cracks in the enamel. When you do prosthodontics and you remove all the enamel, it has no meaning, but in orthodontics, this is something that's very good. So we need it to be not only very accurate, it also needs to be also very smooth and gentle. And that is why the name of this type of burr is called Magic Touch, because the coating of the diamond burr here, it is synthetic diamonds, which is specifically made for the burr industry. So all the particles are exactly the same, they're very small, so the cutting procedure, it's very accurate and it doesn't damage the enamel. So this is the unique features of this specific burr. And now I will go to the next step and I will demonstrate how to do the technique of the stripping. So the first step, it is to put a wedge. Like you see here in the lower arch, and you see here in the upper arch, there are two different sizes of the burr. This is like the thicker one, and this is the smaller size of the wedge. The wedge is not only important in order to protect the gingiva and and not to harm the gingiva when we are doing the stripping. It is also to control the amount of the stripping, because the moment you're going to insert this wedge between the teeth, it will open a very small space between the teeth. So the cutting procedure, it's much easier, but it's also smaller than the diameter of the burr itself. The moment I use 0.2 with the wedge, it will become 0.1. And we're going to do it now, we're going to see it. Now, every time, the procedure should be performed from the lingual side, not from the buccal side. Unfortunately, this is feasible for the lower introit incisors mostly. It is not very feasible for the upper teeth because it's less comfortable for the doctor. While from the lingual side, because of the shape, the anatomical shape of the teeth, the lingual side, it's more secure. It is helping us to go more accurately between the teeth than from the buccal side. So I will now try to push the pedal here in order to activate the burr. One moment, please. I got it. So, secure finger rest. Secure finger rest. And just in a smooth, continuous movement, and it's done. It is very fast, it is very easy, and it is very accurate. Let me now a little bit take the air from the teeth so you can see even better the space that's open between the teeth. It is very, very, very small size. Now, the moment I'm going to remove the wedge between the teeth, and please remember, this is a mannequin, this is not a true patient. In the mouth is by far much more effective. Now comes the last stage, which is the measurement. And for this purpose, I will use the metal strips in order to measure how much I have reducted. So I will take first the 0.1 millimeter. Now it needs to go with some resistance between the teeth, like it happens here. It's not very easy going. So, and this is the 0.1. So as you can see, with the 0.2 diameter of the burr, I was doing easily 0.1 millimeter. And it has some friction. That means it is the exact amount of the reduction that needs to be done. In the upper jaw, going to the upper teeth, we can use, again, depends how much you want to reduct, okay? So I'm going to use this same burr at this point. It's going to be, again, the yellow one, which is 0.2. I'm going to do it from the buccal side. So I'm going to do exactly the same. And it's finished. It is very important to be gentle because it is strong burr, but it also, with a non-conscious movement, you might make a damage. So you can see now the space open between the teeth here. Please watch. And now if I just remove the wedge, I can measure again. I'm going to take the 0.1, and I'm going to wedge, and again it goes with some friction. That means we are exactly 0.1 millimeter.